You know what I realize my car looks like right now? You know that friend you had in high school who bought like the V6 Eclipse, and he bought like a body kit off of eBay, and he swore he was gonna do a great job with it, and then like he primered like the bumper but not the rest of the car, and then he like plastadipped his wheels and then just drove it? That's pretty much what my car looks like, but it's not gonna die that way, I promise you. OSHA certified. Anytime you're on a ladder, it's very important that you wear safety glasses for safety. Also, the blue part of the ladder is actually where you want to keep your feet, right there. And if you need to, you can use this as an extra step. Trust me. All right, so for body work, we're gonna need an angle grinder. We're gonna need some face masks. What other toys do we have from Harbor Freight? We're gonna need this abrasive wheel right here, and we're gonna take down to bare metal all the spots on the car that have dents and dings. We got a shopping cart incident right there. We're gonna take that down to bare metal. We've got this right here, and we got a couple spots on the other side, so I'm gonna grind those down. We're gonna pull the dents out as best we can, and then we're gonna fill it with a little bit of body filler and sand it out all nice and make those dents and dings disappear. All right, so we got to take the paint off of the car so we can do some body work. What we have here is a polyurethane strip disc on a drill, and for this you're going to want to use safety glasses. This will not buff out. Don't do this unless you plan on repainting a car. Okay, we should be able to fill that with a little bit of body filler. That's gonna come right out. Then we got down here, oh, another safety tip. You should probably wear a face mask. Not for medical use, $1 for like a 5-pack. So this is clean. We've got some metal there that we're gonna have to take off though, or metal showing through. And then right here is our actual dent. So we're gonna strip this back. That's all good. Starts right about there. Right there, that's right. I'm talking to myself, this doesn't have to be in the video. It's right where our dent starts right there. So he gave us give ourselves about a ½ inch on each side. I'm gonna pull this back just a little further. And then we got one tiny shopping cart dink in this panel right here. If you look, you can actually see that low spot right there. So that's what we're gonna try and fix. That should be pretty easy. Make quick work of that. This fender, what we're gonna do, we're gonna strip all this back and we're gonna bend it so that we can close up this panel gap right here. So this is gonna need to be bent in so that it sits flush. We might have to take the fender off to get that done, but in the meantime, we're gonna strip all this old Bondo and body filler off of here. Now we're going for the N95 mask.
What was wrong with the $1 mask?
I could smell Bondo. It's not what you want. If you can smell Bondo when you're doing this, then your mask is not good enough.
What are you doing now, GT?
We're gonna take this fender off the car and we're gonna strip it with aircraft remover because
On this table.
that's gonna be easier.
She's gonna be a stripper.
So we're gonna chemically strip this. So we're gonna use a little bit of aircraft remover. You want a P100 mask for this. It's important. This is an organic solvent. It's nasty. And safety glasses and a paintbrush. Not good, folks. Don't show them how weak I am.
Literally just wiping off.
Yeah, we're gonna take a plastic Bondo scraper and we're just gonna, and the paint's just gonna come off. Then watch this. And that was our car paint.
Coming off just like butter. Still smells delicious. The forbidden chocolate.
All right, so we're gonna pull the dent out of here. So we're gonna use our stud welder that we got from Harbor Freight. It's not a plug for Harbor Freight. I'm gonna put a stud in there. Let's go ahead and weld that. We're gonna find our dent low spot. It's gonna be right about there. And put a stud right there. Okay. And then we also have a low spot right about there. Grab another stud. This is a slide hammer. We're not going to use the hammer. We're just gonna pull gently. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna put this here, lock it in. We're gonna gently pull out that dent. Okay. That actually is a lot better. Little pull right here. I think that's about as good as we're gonna get that. All right, now we're gonna cut these off with an angle grinder, and then we're gonna use a little bit of body filler and sand this out, and this dent will be gone. All right, we're gonna use an angle grinder to cut these studs off. Always use safety glasses. Make sure that your disc is tight. Have your safety guard on. Angle grinders kill over 30,000 engineers per year. I just made that up, but I think it's true though. All right, so that's pretty good. So our dent is gone now, and then we're gonna put some Bondo over this, and we're gonna sand it and make sure that this is nice and flat and that this line here is good and crisp. But that gives us a lot better starting point than where we were at before. Gonna pull it and gently pull that spot out just like that. Okay, that should be good right there. All right. Now it's ready for a little bit of body filler, and that's just gonna disappear right off of that panel. All right, and tomorrow we'll show you guys how to do some body filler and make all these go completely away.